Hello, Caleb here, and today I'm going to talk about how to make garlic bread. So the ingredients are quite simple. All you need, some bread. I do gluten-free bread. Butter, any type of butter would do. Garlic powder. McCormick I prefer. So, let's get started. First, we take our bread. Take a piece. Put it down right there. That's it with the bread. We take our butter. That's a perfect fan right there. Then we just start spreading it on our garlic bread till we feel like that's good enough. So then, after you have spreaded the butter, now you can take the garlic powder. Make sure to do it on the sprinkle. That big one, you would get a bit of kick in your mouth. Remember, not much. You're not trying to make a bread made of garlic. You're trying to make garlic bread. So, now we take our fully nice bread. Hey, it kind of looks like a smiley face. We put our nice made bread on this pan. I use a toaster oven because that's the only thing I can use at this age. So, speaking of cook time, if you have a garlic bread with not very accurate timer like me, you can just keep it on stay on, and cook it till it's golden brown, or you can cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till it's golden brown. So let's put it in. So, now let's wait for it to cook. Hello, the garlic bread has cooled by now. So let me show you the final piece. Nice. So let me take a bite. No. Oh, what's this sheet? It says like and subscribe. So if the garlic bread tells you to, I guess you might have to like and subscribe. So, bye. For now.